So yes guys, what's up? Yes, so today we come to talk about Laalee and Monsta Boss. Yes people, Laalee and Monsta Boss. But guys, before we go into this video, let's get straight to the intro, then into the video. Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to Kurguda's ENT. If you are new to the channel, please remember the #1 rule to subscribe. If you are already a part of the family, please remember to like this video. Also guys, share this video, tell a friend to tell a friend about the channel. So yes guys, here's the cut for today. Laalee, short and tally, Laalee, Bali, Laalee. Yes, Laalee was singing Leggo the Bird and all of them dancing song there, you know. Basically, him and Monsta Boss is having issue because you know Monsta Boss create the dance, Leggo the Bird, allegedly create the dance, Leggo the Bird. You understand people? And he's saying like Monsta Boss every time him do a show, like Monsta Boss want money out of it. You understand? And I saw him thing go. You see me? That's not how him thing go. You understand? And say every time Monsta Boss a beg him and stuff like that. And if you don't know who name Monsta Boss is Diamond Attitude new boo. You understand? Yeah, him is Monsta Boss. But anyway people, I'm not got there and I talk too much because I want to hear from yourself and voice your own opinion on the whole situation. If Laalee is supposed to give Monsta Boss money out of, show them what him do. You understand? Because I know enough people make dance and other artists sing it and stuff like that. And artists sing song off it and something, whether if a dirty wine and all of them something there. And then I pay the way any of them no money because guess what? You no register on the dance, you have to register on the thing. You understand? But Jamaican people, them like the thing backdoor too much. You understand? Sorry if you say that, but it's the truth. Just want to start put on things together, on a business together properly, then I don't want to argue with no man because guess what? No man can go sing but on a Leggo the Bird. You understand? So somebody come and say he has a point as a real man. Pay the dancer. Without the dance there will be no song. You understand? Without the dance there would be no song. You understand? But me not believe say an artist obligate. Out of respect, if it was me, would I give him a thing? But I wouldn't say that he is obligate to give, you understand, the dancer money. You see me? Him not obligate. So that shouldn't even cause no problem. You understand? But the fact say somebody create a dance, you can get to sing a song towards it where they run the place, you can give him something. You know? But for cuss him, figure, you understand? Sometimes you have to leave people to them conscience. But people, hear what? I'm not going to talk too much because I want to hear what you have to say in the comment section. You understand? I like hear what the people them have to say in the comment section about the whole situation. If you don't think Laalee supposed to give him a thing or if he's not supposed to give him nothing, you understand? Make me know what is what. You understand? So guys, let's get down into the video and hear what Laalee have to say.
You don't want to do this for the name call and say, oh, Monsta hot. You don't want to do this to make no money, youth. If you don't want to do this, you see them white people there, you put up say you have classes. You don't want to do that, brother. You don't want to do that, brother, but you don't want to watch the artists them one and then people are going to say, over the years, artists now pay dancers for this and artists get royalties. And the dancers them forgot to do them thing now. And you for just register on the dance and them thing, but you just want to build dance and run around for tell people so they build dance. And that you don't want to run around for tell people say, oh, I'm big, I built this dance. And you can't cut no fam. If I didn't me build dirt or anyone of them dance, me go teach be a class, brother. I saw like what the bird usually do. I switch him, I hears the dancer do, brother, and them call the dancer. I him just change the dancer and go so. I change it, brother. Man, I say like, I hears the man do the dance, brother. That's why I see me go shoot. I make shoot, watch and call me down. From baby, if you go up on TVJ right now and type in baby to McDonald, when baby to McDonald boss anybody in there for Charlie, you see baby to Albassa usually do it. Albassa, brother. And the youth about pie. No, why? My business, nobody no call Diamond here. I don't know nothing about Miss Diamond here. I grew up so much Diamond. Me do you a favor, you do me a favor. You be the dance, me be the song. The two we are going to seek and how we are going to make revenues our fight. When you get your revenue, I don't watch it, brother. I don't watch a next man revenue. Because you never get bookings yet and I dance to the song. I say, man, so you still like how you play my music, give me $5,000 out of your money. I don't do them things, brother. I have money more than can give, brother, but I never get up and give money. I don't love man, brother. I say, ask man for something, this man come. If this man go ask me something for boy, or do you want? I not depend for my thing that I'm not for do with them. Because when them I make for them thing, I not ask Potter. I saw it go, brother. If you go ask me for your thing, I say, Laalee, bro, give me this. Laalee, bro, yo, me ask you for this. Nobody bad me up like say me your father, or me I send a contract, say, yo, every time I perform, you have to get 20% of my pay. I'm manager alone do that, brother. I come and call my name, fam. He's a girl. And stop calling my name, brother. He's a girl. Every minute, I can show the people them the screenshot. You beg me every day like a girl, brother. Mommy, I want to tell me nothing. See more embarrassment on live. Look at you, I just show man depend certain things on depend you. Every day then, yeah, beg man like a girl, brother. Them expect every day when man get up and do things. Me have manager for feeding, me have road manager, me have DJ, me have engineer, me have people for feed, brother. You see what I talk about? People, my shame tree, bro. Jungle I come from, boardhouse I growing, and I use style it to have to flush it. I be in a bucket. Nobody can tell me nothing where going to kill me, brother, or get me down, brother. When I stop the music, man, I can live but they said lifestyle, I never hype on nobody. Nobody now look and say, watch out, look how Laalee did hype, I don't now go and film now. No, that nobody not gonna laugh off of me. Right now, I find a song where I fuck up TikTok. Enough people never know my song, I just show me simple. Right now, I have a song, I fuck up TikTok, I deal with TikTok away. When you hear Crystal say, fuck your scunt, bang bang, turn round for your little song sing. Bro say he can't trust these girls no more because she just wants to see the Latin thing. Shoulder for you. And me and her tune, brother, but we just relax, so brother. And relax and I watch waves.
So yes, guys, y'all hear what Laalee have to say, guys. So I want y'all to leave a positive comment down below. You understand? I don't want you to come out and bash Laalee. You understand? But everybody entitled to their own opinion. You see me? And more have to hear Monsta Boss side of the story if them did come to an agreement or whatever before me really make a true statement after this, because I did not listen to what Monsta Boss have to say. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Blessings to you all. Bye, guys. I am out.